In this video, we're going to unpack acrylic kit by Saviland and create extra long glass stiletto nails. Coming up. Hello there, I'm Anastasia and I have a new color acrylic kit by Saviland. It includes 10 acrylic color powders. Each one is sealed for protection, so once you open it up, you need to take off this protective seal and let's see the colors. Number one is pink neon color, and since it's summer, I'm definitely going to use this one in my set. Number two is beautiful beige color. Number three is more like a cover pink. I think this one will be great for pink and white. Number four is clear. Wow, that's unexpected. Usually you do not see clear powders in color kits. Then we have number five, which is silver glitter color. By the way, I think this is the great idea to mix traditional and natural colors with glitters. I personally like this kind of collections because you get different kind of colors right away. Let me know what do you think about it. Do you prefer collections when there's like only glitter or only pastel shades, or do you like mixed collections? Number 9 is like a mix of green, silver and red glitter, and number 10 is a beautiful bronze glitter. This is the entire collection. There's also white and clear in it, two natural colors that will definitely work as covers, some glitter colors and a beautiful pink neon one. This is the nails that we're going to work with. Today I skipped the product removal so we can go directly to acrylic extensions, and I will start by pushing back the cuticle with orange wood stick. Then I'm going to file the nails short with 180 grit file. You probably know that there are different types of stiletto shaped nails. They all look different. Some of them are longer, some of them are more narrow, some of them are looking like a needle, some of them are wider. And today I would like to show you probably my favorite style of stilettos, but it requires extreme length. Like, it's not gonna work if you intend to do short stilettos. In Russia we call this shape gothic stiletto sometimes, even though today we're definitely going to do something with the bright fun colors. Let's proceed to the prep, and I will do dry manicure with a flame bit. Take off the surface shine with 180 grit file, but since we just took off the product, I do not need to file a lot. I'm mostly taking off some remaining part of the gel she had on her nails before, and at the same time I'm taking off the surface shine. When doing this, keep in mind that we're not supposed to file the nail. We just do a very light touch on the surface of the nail, so it will turn from shiny to matte.
Stay up till dawn. Maybe the way that I'm living is killing me. I like to see everything in neon. Drink lime green, stay up till dawn. Maybe the way that I'm living.
Trimming the cuticles and aponychium with the scissors, and even though there are so many different opinions around this part, I have to say it's still so satisfying to do. Last step of the prep is to apply dehydrator, let dry, and then I'm going to use acid primer. When using acid primer, it is very important to not apply too much, avoid touching the skin, and let dry before proceeding to product application. First, we need to apply clear acrylic powder on the natural nail. Since I'm going to use the color on top of it, and clear usually has a better adhesion with the nail, and also when we will be doing fills or when we are taking the nails off, it is better to not apply very intense colors directly on the nail plate. I will be using this pink neon because I liked it from the beginning in this collection. I'm going to do reverse smiling for our alternative styled French nails. And since we are going to do extremely long stilettos, we need to extend the nail bed longer than usual. The more I say it, then we have extremely long nails, the more I feel like they're not really that long, right? Well, at least it is definitely longer than all nails that I'm doing to my clients. I already did a couple of nails before, so I need to be sure that the length of the extended nail bed matches with all nails. When doing a reverse smiling for stiletto shape, I recommend it to make it more narrow and more pointed so it will match with the shape better. On the free edge, I'm going to use this beautiful pink glitter powder, and this color is more like a jelly, so we will have a transparent free edge. I really like this style of French nails. Back in early 2000s, we used to call it fun French. Let me know if you know some specific name for this kind of French style nails, because usually when we say color French nails, we refer to a different color of the free edge, but how would you call this design when the color of the nail bed is different? Adding a couple accessories in the shape of butterflies, and they are pink too. We cannot really see them yet because the forms I'm using, they're also a purple color, but we will see them later. Then I'm going to seal the free edge with a clear powder because I created only a thin coat of the glitter, and I'm going to build the remaining part of the nail with clear powder. At first I was going to create one color nail bed area, like to use only neon pink, but then as I blended this color into clear, I thought that this version may look even better, so we have neon pink and clear near the cuticle area. Then it's time to take off the form. You can pinch the nails if you prefer a more narrow shape. I just slightly pinch them, and this is what we have after the application. Long extreme stiletto nails with clear free edge. Then it's time to file and shape them, and I'm going to use carbide bead with green abrasive mark. Filing sidewalls of long stilettos may be a little tricky, so here's the tip. Simply turn the client's hand around and file it with an e-file like this, but be careful because it's so easy to overfile them pretty quick. Then I'm going to switch to the hand file and also work on the sidewalls as well as on the overall shape. We're done with filing and buffing, and I cannot wait to see how they're going to look when they will be shiny. So I apply no wipe top coat on the top, and we can already see this butterfly and transparent free edge of the nails. Cure in LED, and we are done. I totally love these stiletto nails. I'm even thinking of having a similar set for myself. Let me know what do you think, guys. I will leave all the links to the products that I use in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews, just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!